Did you really think that I was done with my hair? Of course I'm not. I have no self-control. Hello everyone, how are you? It's me, Crystal Carrot. And today I am going to mess with my hair again. Okay, look, I've been on a very intense hair dyeing, bleaching, color removing adventure the last week. And it kind of messed with my hair a little bit. Who would have thought that? My hair definitely feels way better than I would have ever expected my hair to feel after all the shit I've done to it. And I feel like it actually also looks pretty healthy, which is a very big shocker to me, because like I've done a lot of shit to my hair in a very small time span. Even though it feels pretty okay-ish, and even though it looks pretty okay-ish, it's still dead, you know, especially the ends. Like these bad boys. Can I show you? This. It's just very crunchy. So today I'm going to cut my own hair. And yeah, we all know that I could go to a professional to get my hair professionally done. But we also all know that that's just not something that I'm gonna do. Before I'm going to cut it, let me just quickly show you what my hair looks like right now. This is my hair. Oh my god. My beautiful bright orange bird nest. Let me try and make it a little bit more presentable. It's a little bit easier to show my hair this way, so let me show you. And yeah, as you can see, I don't really have like a model cut into my hair. This is literally just what my hair looks like after growing out my buzz cut. Which, by the way, it has been exactly 1 year since I started to grow my buzz cut out. Buzz cut out. Why does that sound so weird? A buzz cut out. So yeah, this is what a year of hair growth looks like. I'm pretty sure that I didn't get like a haircut on the back of my hair. At least I can't remember. But I did shave and like cut the front part of my hair. So as you can see, I have like this very weird like disconnected hairstyle because I used to shave the sides of my hair. And I also cut my bangs a few times. And that's also like one of the reasons why I really need a haircut, because this is just a weird look, okay? This is just weird, look. I don't like how that looks. Wait, this is actually kind of fun. Like, I'm celebrating my 1 year of hair growth anniversary with just cutting it all off again. Let me get started on cutting my hair. Woo. Okay. Enough, Lindy, enough. Where's my comb? I don't know. I already lost everything and I haven't even started yet. Okay, I found my comb. Step 1. And now I'm just going to part my hair in the middle. Look, I don't know how I'm supposed to do this on myself, okay? I tried to look up some tutorials, but like the ones I saw were just too boring to watch and I skipped them all. I could probably cut a bob on someone else, but on myself it's a little bit more difficult, okay? And I did check out Bremondo's channel to see if he had a tutorial on how to cut a bob on yourself, but he didn't have one. So I'm guessing he just wants me to fail. I did see one video of him where he like sectioned the hair off in like little ponytails. Not sure why he did that, because I watched the video without sound, but I think I'm just gonna do that too. Hopefully that's going to work on the hairstyle that I'm going for today. Pippi Longstocking. Adorable. Love it. Maybe I shouldn't cut my hair. This is kind of cute. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna cut it, okay? I'm gonna cut it. I am going to cut it. By the way, in case you're wondering why I'm using some kitchen scissors instead of the actual hair cutting scissors that I own, that's because this one is actually sharper. I don't know, I think I just got like very bad quality hair cutting scissors because they're so blunt. Is that what you say? Yeah, they're just not sharp at all. So I'm just going to use these bad boys. Let's go. Ah. Okay, let me just cut this. No way in hell is this going to be an even haircut. Anyways, let's do the other side. Whee! I don't know if this was a good idea. I still look like a mushroom. Also, I think it's very uneven. Let me show you the back. Oh, wait. It's actually not that bad at all. What? I mean, it needs to be evened out a little bit, but this is a very nice way of cutting your hair. I still don't like it though. I feel like it's still too long. It needs to be shorter. It needs to be even. I guess this is like a cute length, right? If everything is this length. Okay, I'm going to try and be a little bit more professional and section my hair off. To be honest, I really just want to like get my hair like this and just cut it straight across. But first of all, my hair is too thick to do that. And second of all, my scissors are not sharp enough to do that. So let me just section my hair off and see if I can do it better this way. How am I ever going to do this? This is going to be so difficult. I guess that'll work. So much hair in my neck. It's very itchy. But I guess it works, right? I mean, it looks pretty even to me. But there's so much hair in my neck right now. Oh my god. I mean, I feel like I'm doing pretty good for a girl with no talent. Right? Oh. Okay, next section. I still have a very intense difference between like this part and this part. And that's the whole thing that I didn't like. And I mean, there's nothing that I can really do about it except like be patient and wait for it to grow long enough. Which is probably gonna take me like, I don't know, I think 2 months, then it should be fine. But I am impatient and I do not like how this looks right now. So I thought maybe I just have to cut myself some bangs again. Then I can take some of the bulkiness away, you know, and then like do it like this. Put it behind my ears. That's cute, right? Yeah. I don't want them to be too short though, because I'm still trying to grow them out. Which, yeah, I should probably not cut them if I'm trying to grow them out. But I've just decided that I want to do this, so I am going to do this. I think this could be a nice piece, right? Okay, looks good. it looks weird again. But if I do this behind my ears, wait, that actually looks kind of cute. Does this mean that I'm already done with my hair? I don't get it. This is like a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. I think I'm done. But I don't really believe it yet, because this literally didn't take me long to do at all. And the transformation is also not that intense. Like, this is most of my hair that I cut off, which is like a tiny ball. Is this really all? I'm so confused. Okay, so let me show you me hair in the sun. Oh, sunshine. My hair's so bright. Oh. It's pretty nice, huh? I mean, it is kind of uneven though. But yeah, what did you expect? Of course I'm not gonna get an even hairstyle because I can't really see the back of my head. So yeah, everyone, this is the end of the video. Yeah, let me do a little 360 for you. Yeah, boy! Look how healthy my hair looks. That's kind of insane, right? I just don't... Look how shiny it is. It may also be like the grease from my scalp that is making my hair shine. But still, it looks so healthy. How is it possible that my hair still looks like it's alive? I have no idea. But yeah, this is the end result. I love it. And I think I can still wear 2 cute little ponytails. Oh, that's very cute. Anyways, I hope you all liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, I hope that you like my new hairstyle. Even though I feel like it's not like that big of a difference. I mean, it looks different, but also it's still kind of the same. Like, I expected a way more dramatic end result. But this looks pretty like presentable and pretty cute. So let me know what you think of it. And I hope to see you in my next video. Okay, kiss kiss bye bye ciao ciao. Kiss kiss bye bye ciao ciao.